Hi everyone, let's look at LeetCode Daily 79 word search. In this problem, we are given a matrix called board. In the board, there are characters in each cell. We are looking for a path in the board which will form a word that is equal to the word given by the problem. No, this is a typical DFS problem. So we will search from the start to the end, try to find C. Now we are at A. A is not equal to the initial of C, aka S. So A is not S. We will continue until we find the initial. Now we will try to find the second character, that is E. We will go up, right, down, and left. We failed to find the character E, so we will just go to the next character, that is F, C, S. Now we find S, we are looking for E again. We find E, but from E, we cannot find the second E, so we will continue. Previously, we are looking for the second character here. Now we are looking for the second character here, and now we find our second character E again here, right? Now from our second character E, we will try to find the third character E. So we will go up, right, down, and left. Now we find the last character. Now let's look at Python and TypeScript code. So in the main function, it's just go through each of the characters in the matrix, and for each cell, we will call DFS. In DFS, we will firstly check if the position is in the boundary. Then we'll check if the current character in the board is equal to the ith character of word. Thirdly, we will check if the position is previously visiting. If it was previous visiting, that means we are revisiting a position that is in the same path, or to say it's not legal in this problem. Finally, we will check if current index is the last index of the word. If so, that means we've already tracked all the characters in word. We can return true. That means we successfully find a word. If current index is not the last index, then we will put the position to the visiting set. In TypeScript, we used the Boolean to the array to do the same. Now row and column are in visiting set. If we encounter them in the DFS, then we will just ignore them, right? Now we'll go to the four directions, up, right, down, left. We will try to, if the neighbor is equal to the next character in word. If so, we will return true. Otherwise, we will remove our current position, because we've already visited this position, we've already searched it, and we failed to find the word here, so we will remove that means they are no longer in the path. Lastly, we will return false. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you.